Everybody, my name is Mahir Talabi and I'm a instructor in this course. I want to talk about PPDIOO, which is a network life cycle that Cisco recommends in order to design networks. First of all, please let me introduce myself to you. I have double CCIEs in routing and switching and service provider, and also many other certifications in uh, networking. Okay, let's start. PPDIOO, as I said, is a network lifecycle approach. With this method, you will design your networks based on current standards, best practices, and also many other things that are really required for some customers but are not for others. This stands for prepare, plan, design, implement, operate, and also the optimize. Let's see this in a brief. Yeah. First of all, you will prepare your design, then plan, and then design, implement, operate, and then optimize. Let's see what we will do in each step. In the preparation step, we will gather all of our customers' business and technology requirements, and also their strategies. What are important for some customers? What they want the networks be able to do. There are some also deliverables that we should deliver in this phase. Customer requirement document, high-level design, and also current state assessment survey, and also results. And the customer requirement document, what customer expects the networks be able to do will be mentioned. In high-level design, we provide an overview of entire network, including main components and modules. It is also known as architectural design. And also in the current state assessment survey and results, a solid understanding of how the core operational process are actually functioning within business will be mentioned. Okay, so we gather all of the required information from the customer perspective in this stage. In the plan phase, we will allocate or financial and physical resources. We will developing project schedule based on customer timelines and on business requirements. We will also plan our network policy, network security policy. What are important for customers to be protected? Okay, and then we will do some audits on the network, on existing network as well. There are some deliverables in here, for example, SRS, STP, SSF, and then CRDR. For example, in SRS, we will mention all of the requirements, all of the business requirements, and also technology requirements. In SSF, which is site server form, which you can see most of the templates on the internet, we will mention environmental, electrical, cabling, and some other considerations. Okay, this is what we will do in the plan phase. We will allocate budgets. Okay, we will design our network security and also audit the existing network. In the design phase, which is our main phase in this process, we will develop an update or comprehensive network design. We will use some of our information gathered from our previous phases in a prepare and a plan phase. Okay, in this phase, we will provide LLD, which is low-level design. LLD provides the logical and functional design of each module of network. For example, in this phase, we will design our data center module with its inter-network and computing devices. Let's see what we will do in the implementation phase. In this phase, which is very good test bed to simulate the network design modules. In this phase, we will see what our network will be in the production network. Okay, we will deliver also some logs, implementation logs, NRFU, and NRFU test report. For your information, NRFU is a test that we will examine our hardware circuit, for example, jitter, delay, something like that, network services, traffic, and also routing. Okay, so we will get more assurance about what our design network will be in a production network. Okay, this is what we will get in the real network. And then in the operation phase, we will see the operating without major change to the network. It is a maintenance phase, managing our network through the proactive and reactive monitoring, and also some other things. We could have some minor changes, but not very huge changes. If we need some huge changes, we should redesign our network, start this process again from prepare, plan, design, and some other. Okay, we also have some deliverables in this stage, which is root cause analysis report, MAC report, and support contract analysis. Root cause analysis report. Root cause analysis is an analysis that every network should do in order to find the root of a problem, and then removal of that root will help us to don't see its outcomes that we don't want to see. Okay, MAC reports, as I said, is minor moves, adds, or changes. Okay, we will also mention them in the MAC reports. And support contract analysis, if we have some kind of contract with networking services companies like, for example, Cisco, SmartNet, then their analysis will be mentioned in this document as well. In the optimization phase, which is our latest stage in our network design process, it happens when there has been a minor or major changes in a business or even a technical requirement or schedule checkup process. As I said, if we need to do major changes in your network, we will find that in an optimization phase. Okay, in this stage, we will find that our network need to be changed. There are some technical requirements, there are some business requirements that we cannot get with your current network, so we need to redesign your network. So optimization change phase will help us to get this idea. Okay, so new requirements will be compared with initial requirements, and if the changes are necessary, then we should start from the beginning of the network design process. As I said, this is a final stage in our networking design process. Thank you everybody for listening to this short lecture. It was about a PPDIOO, which is a network design approach which Cisco recommends to be used in the networks nowadays in order to have a very good network designs at a peak performance, of course. Thank you.